This is Mr. Benny. Guys, just talks about my race run through the Windsor Zoo. Everyone is invited from the entire Caribbean, alright? Whether you're in Trinidad, Tobago, Barbados, Guyana, everyone is invited, guys. So just link me up to my number 876-549-2161, alright? What a person's been asking. Now is the time, alright? Let's go. Big up everybody who watch this. Whether you did join the live or you did it next time. Big up guys, big up. I'm gonna do some more past paper questions today again. So just go and like it, and you know say you're there and thing. You know the shops go. As me say, Ashley Coley, what a nice name, Ashley Coley. Big up Ashley Coley, big up. I gotta do some work, because I know with Mr. Bennett style, the work never end, don't it? Never end. Alright, guys, we're gonna do some past paper. Some persons were saying, do the Makina. Big up Makina. That sounds like somebody from Trinidad. Good night, guys. Good night. Big up. Welcome. Alright, so guys, if you want to be a part of a marathon, it doesn't matter which country you are from, you are invited, alright? Mr. Bennett don't limit his match to one place. The entire globe. You know what I mean? I have persons from Trinidad in my class, Barbados, Cayman, Guyana, St. Lucia. So guys, it doesn't really matter where you are from. Alright? We all have one objective, and that is to pass maths with a grade 1. Right? So just make we do it. Make we work together, man. When I have my number already, 876-549-2161. Alright? So we're going to do some more past paper question. Because we generally giving a book here. So we're going to continue working from it. We're going to do a simultaneous equation here first. I'm going to carry it up at the top though. Because I just do the thumbnail here. To see if, because the thumbnail for some reason now video pop up. So guys, go ahead and try it and see. It's a simultaneous equation. It says that 2x plus y is equal to 13. And x minus y is equal to 2. What's the value of x? What's the value of y? Oh, new subscribers, big up yourself. See, a lot of persons are subscribed like 20 a day now. So you know the work get drastic. Yeah. Mr. Benny took the fantastic. I know the shops go already, guys. You always try to put a life tonight, I know math's not really exciting to that tonight. It's a boring something. We are putting in the energy tonight, because at the end of the day, but important, everybody pass their exam. Get them job. Can't stop to that. Alright. So we're gonna solve for this simultaneous equation. And I think I'm gonna make you guys do another one. So I want to find the value of x and the value of y. Alright, so here we go. This one is pretty simple because if you notice, we have the coefficient of y to be 1 and the coefficient of y is 1. So we can eliminate right away. If it was a next case where it wasn't, then we'd have to multiply and bring the coefficient or the number in front of x or y to be the same. Alright, but they are now. This one is a plus, this one is a minus. So just ask yourself, which sign we can put in the middle and get rid of y same time. Right? So this is it. So we have 2x, x plus y minus y 13. Which sign we can put to make it big? That is plus, right? As if we put a plus, it remains y minus y. And y minus y is 0. So what we do for 1, we have to do for r. If we put a plus there, we have to put a plus everywhere. Put a plus there, and a plus there, and a plus everywhere. Right? So 2x plus that would give us 3x. This would definitely give us 0. And that's why we do that, because this is the same thing as y minus y, which is equal to 0. And then 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. Now all we have to do, I can bring it closer, it looks so ugly. all I have to do is just divide both sides by 3 or take the inverse of times 3, right? So this, so therefore x is equal to 5. So we know the value of x to be 5. So all we have to do now is to substitute x equal 5 in the equation. And boom, we're done. Which one of them you guys want to use? You want to use x minus y equal 2. Doesn't matter which, you're going to get the same thing, right? So we have 5 right here. Because the value of x is 5, so we substitute it. Minus y equal 2. And then now we take the inverse of this plus 5, which is minus 5. What we do to one side, we do to both sides. Boom. But remember guys, this is negative y, right? 2 minus 5, that's negative 3. So we don't want a negative y, we want a positive y. So all we have to do now is divide by negative 1. Both sides by negative 1 to get rid of the negative. So therefore y is equal to 3. You can check the equation. 2 times 5, that's 10, plus 3, that's 13. And 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So that is how you check your answer to see if it's correct. It is indeed correct. Hit the like button now guys, hit the like button. What I deal with? Hit the like button for Mr. Bennett. Alright, so let us make you guys try another one. If I watch the playback, hit the like button same way. If I hear 13,000, 30, whatever, hit the like button. And if you know, say I couldn't be 1,000 years. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button same way. Put in the work same way. We deserve it. Try that one, guys. 3x plus y. Welcome, Sandrine. To move fast though. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I go past something when I can see the chat. When I can big up everybody with the on this. Well, all day. So I bring it up the remedy. Try that one, guys. 3x plus y equal 20 and 2x minus y equal 15. Sanjin what? Janelle Finlater. Wow, I don't even know if you pronounce that. And Kerry Ann Robinson. Big up, big up. Ashley Cole. You take me the car, your name already. Big up, guys. Big up. Yeah. Work where I work on the chicken where I jerk. Alright, so try that one. 3x plus y is equal to 20 and 2x minus y equal 15. What's the value of x and what's the value of y? You guys can type it in and make us see what I go on and what I go on. Oh, there are some people I'm joining because 2 months left for exam. I may have crazy classes, you know, guys, but I just done tutor. Go school, me tutor, me still say me I come on because at the end of the day, and everybody are gonna be my student, I want it to reach out to everybody. No joke about that. No joke about that. Alright, so can we get the solutions now? Post it on my personal group and see if we can get some people. Alright, so let's go to solution now. As I was saying before, this both of them are positive, are 1. The coefficient are 1, so we can eliminate y. Alright. Next time we're gonna look upon when the coefficient is not the same. I'll show you guys why people rate me teaching so much. Alright. Easy something. Alright. So both of them are the same. It's one is negative and one is plus, so we can use a plus. So it will be 3x plus 2x plus y minus under 20 plus 15. 3 plus 2, remember we're adding like terms, this gives you 5x. This will give us 0 as we established earlier. And all we do all of that is to eliminate the value of y. And then we find x and then we substitute. So 20 plus 30, that is 15, that's 35. So 5x divided by 35. Divide both sides by 5. So the value of x is 7. So we know that the value of x is 7 because 35 divided by 5 is 7. Or 5 sevens, 35. Alright, so let us substitute now the value. So we have 3x plus y equal 20. We know the value of x to be 7. So what we do, we put, anywhere we see x, we're going to put 1. Yep. We substitute with 7. Right? So it's 7 plus y equal 20. So 3 times 7, bracket means to multiply. 3 sevens, 21 plus y equal 20. And then now we subtract 21 from both sides because this is a positive. So we subtract 21. What we do to one side, we do to both sides. Now y is equal to 20 minus 21. Let me just rewrite that. Now this is bigger, so we're going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger term, which is negative 1. Alright, and we can check to see if it's correct. Alright, let us check equation 1. We say x is 7, so 3 times, I'm right, because some people don't really see so well, you know. So we say x is 7, so anywhere we say x, we're going to put 7. So we have 3x plus y equal 20. Let's see if it gives us 20. 3 times 7 minus 1. 3 sevens, 21 minus 1, that is 20. But let us check for this one also. 2x minus y equal, let's see what if it equal to 7. 2 times 7, that's 14. So that's a minus 1, right? Because x and y are minus 1. So we have to substitute it. So 2 sevens, 14. Minus times a minus, that's plus. So that's 15. So that is indeed correct. Alright guys, ensure that you double check to see if both of them are correct. Alright, let's move on to 1. I'm going to actually show you guys this one because I see a lot of persons not texting in the group. Normally persons will be putting in the answer and I don't see the answer. So I'm going to actually just go through this one and then I set another one. And then we go to the past paper then and shell down this place. Remember guys, you can always watch the playback them, alright? Rub off the one, you're a little bit too fast. You can always watch the playback. Why Ashley not come online? Why Ashley a message me? She come online, come to maths man. She said she want me a maths teacher. Shall deal. Alright guys, let's go. So we have 3x plus 2y alright, so let's put some values in there. Alright, can you guys solve that one? So we have 3x plus 2y equals 17 and 2x plus y equal 11. Alright. So guys, as I was saying, we cannot eliminate one of the term immediately. Why? The numbers are different. So 3 minus 2, that's 1. 2 minus 1, that's 1. We want to get it to 0. So what we have to do now is to bring them, or bring two of the coefficient to be the same. We're going to use y. Alright, so we're going to eliminate y first. So in order to do that, we can say, alright, which number in front of y? This would be 1, right? So that's 1y. So 2 times 1, that's 2. So now we ask ourselves, what times 2 can give us 2? Because we want the number in front of them to be, both of them to be 2y, right? So 2 times what give you what? 2 times what give you 2, and that would be 1. This is 1. 1 times what give you 2, that is 2. Alright? So when we multiply, we're going to get both numbers in front of y to be the same, which is the coefficient. That's 2y. So multiply everything by 1. So 1 times 3x, that's 3x. 1 times 2y, that's 2y. 1 times 17, that is 17. Alright? So now we're going to multiply everything by 2. Alright? So 2 times 2x, that's 4x. 2 times 1y, that's 2y. Remember, right here is why we multiply. Because we want these two numbers to be the same. So we get it there. So the objective is met. And 2 times 11 gives us 22. Alright? So this one now, we have a different challenge. Oh, thanks for the likes, guys. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man. We have a different challenge. Both signs are the same. Now, if we have 2y and 2y, and we want to put a sign in the middle to make it be 0, what sign would we put? Somebody type in that for me fast. What sign would we put in the middle right here to make this be 0? Somebody type it in fast for me, please. What sign we can put between 2y and 2y to make 0? Is it a positive or is it a negative? Alright, correct. That would be a negative because 2y minus 2y is equal to 0. So what we're going to do now, we can just put the negative right here because remember it's an equation. What you do for 1, you have to do for all. That's what an equation does, right? You have to balance the equation. So what you do for 1, you have to do for all. So let's go, let's go. So we're going to subtract now. So it will be 3x minus 4x positive 2y minus 2y equals 17 minus 22. So notice, when you do for 1, you have to do for all. So I will do a group like terms. Alright, so 3x minus that will give us negative x. And for the persons who are struggling with the sign, guys, you have to watch my video when you name integer 1 and integer 2. And guys, if you don't want 1, make sure you be a part of my maths marathon. It doesn't matter if you are in Trinidad, Barbados, Guyana, Montserrat, Cayman, it doesn't matter. Link me up, I make sign up, I make we do this, alright? So 17 minus that would give us negative 5, right? Because the 22 is bigger. Alright, but we don't want negative x, so all we have to do is divide by negative 1. Or we do to one side, we do to both sides. So x is equal to 5. So after we get the value of x to be 5, we can do what? Substitute in the, no, the 5 not sure. How is this? Try it up, so. A joke thing that Mr. Benny. So we have negative x equal negative 5. So we divide both sides by negative 1. So x is equal to 5. So we now know that the value of x is 5. So all we have to do, substitute x equal 5 in the equation and we solve for the equation. Some reason, I don't know, I didn't set up my tripod right. Alright. So we're gonna use equation 1. Alright? So it's 3x plus 2y equal 17. We know the value of x, so we're gonna substitute it. So 3 times 5 plus 2y. So 3, 5, 15 plus 2y. Alright? We know that we have to take the inverse of plus 15, which is, you guessed it, negative 15. And then now we say 2y. At 17 minus 15, guys? Correct, 2. Now this is saying 2 times a number is equal to 2. What is that number? What number you can multiply 2 by to give you 2? Now 1. Alright, Ashley Koye, this is a negative. Just a seat, just a seat. Alright, so y is equal to 1. So therefore, the value of x would be 5, and the value, which is this, and the value of y is 1. So I'm going to set one now, and you guys going to try it from scratch. Alright? It's always important, guys, to try before the solution. This is not a Netflix. Just try, alright? Put in a comment and so forth. VEHD. That looks like an Indian name from Trinidad. How you pronounce that? Alright. Alright, so I want you guys to try this one. I'm just giving persons time. And if you're watching the playback, pause the video. Oh, VED. Alright, big up, big up. Which country? Trinidad? Me guess right, or Guyana? Oh, from Jamaica. Alright, big up, big up. So I know a lot of persons from Guyana and Trinidad follow it, you know. Alright. So guys, I want you guys to try this one now. Put your answer and then we can compare answers, alright? Now watch your chat, you know. Let's see who get it first. Every time I forget the phone card, them, I don't remember. I want to give away, you know. For the loyal people, you know. Come on, auntie. Alright, 1 second, let me check out this. No, this is not right. Hold on, guys. I want to be a whole number. They're going to 1 second. 16. Want it to be a whole number. Alright, go ahead and do that one, guys. For the marathon, it's maths. We can hook up with some other teachers, biochemistry, POB, IT. I'm say hook up with teachers, you know, the very best in our business. I have those teachers on speed dial. Alright, so try that one, guys. I'm gonna watch the chat to see who get it first. We just have to push yourself, you know. We can't wait until exam day. We have to prepare. We have to prepare before. But guys, we're going to work past paper solution just like last year. So I'm going to link up the bio teacher, the chemistry teacher, the physics teacher, IT, geography, everybody. So I'm going to run all of the past paper questions when it comes closer to exam. Alright? So every subject I go cater for, not just one. Every subject. TD, food and nutrition, clothing and textile, social studies, accounts, POB. And I joking, see, say, I take up people money and I feel them. We don't depend that. Alright? So somebody say x equal 4 and y equal 2. Big up Ved. That is indeed correct. Alright? So 5 points go to Ved. Alright, so let's go, guys. Guys, one thing though, you guys have to work on your speed, alright? Work on your speed. Very important. You don't want to be in exam, know what to do, and you don't finish in time, alright? So work on your speed, and that can come through practicing. That is why we have the marathon, to see where you are in terms of topics where you're weak on, things where you need to do, some problem solving technique. And guys, you know marathon them awesome, awesome, awesome. Ashley Coley also get 2 and 4, right? Alright, so guys, we have a different challenge because the coefficients are not the same. So we know, so we have to multiply. I'm going to choose 3 and 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So what we multiply 3 times to give us 6, that is 2 and 2 by 3. But remember, we have to multiply each term in the equation. So 2 times 3, that's 6x, and that's why I go through all the trouble here. 2 times y, that's 2y, and 2 times 14, 28. Alright? And then we multiply each term by 3. So 3 times 2x, that's 6x. 3 times 4, that's 12y. And 3 times 16, that is 48. Right? 3 6 is 18, 8 carry 1, 3 1 is 348. Alright? So now we get the coefficient of x to be the same. So now we can find a sign to get rid of the x. Right? Now, which sign we can put in the middle? You guys would have known it's minus. Alright? Once it's positive, both are positive, or both negative, minus is the sign that eliminates it. If the signs are different, we add. Alright? So 6x minus 6x plus 2y minus 12y equal to 28 minus 48. Alright? And then now we know that this one is going to go to 0. And 2y minus that would give us negative 10y. And 28 minus 28, that's negative 20. Alright, so we're going to find the value of y first, and then we substitute y in the equation. Alright, so this now, divide both sides by negative 10. Oh, let me carry this up here, so we have negative 10y equal negative 20. And we divide both sides by negative 10. So we get y by itself now. So that's y is equal to 2. And then now we substitute y equal 2 in the equation. We're going to use equation 1. So it's 3x plus y equal 14. We don't know what's the value of x, but we know y is 2. So we'll put 2 right here. So, right? This is a plus 2. So we subtract 2 from both sides. So minus 2 minus 2. And therefore, 3x is equal to 14 minus 2. Write it back again. You have space. So 14 minus 2 would give us 12. And then now we divide both sides by 3. Because this is saying 3 times what? Give it 12. And that is 4. But to show working. Alright. You guys got that correct. Very good. Very good. Awesome job, guys. Hey, Sinead Taylor, Wagwan. Sinead, Jesus, Sinead Dashmoy. Yo. Big up Sinead, man. Anna Hunt, big up. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button, Sinead. Long time I not see you, girl. Alright, guys, so good job. We're gonna do a next question now. And this one says simplify. Let's see how well you guys can do that one. Sinead, mommy, where you going? Alright, so this one says simplify. Remember, guys, past paper this, right? So Benita teaching you for free now. Be a mathematician, we are creating money. So 4x squared times 3x to the fourth divided by 3x to the third. This one was January 2010. Alright, go ahead and try that one, guys. Let's see what you guys get. Yeah, man, Ashley, you're right, man, you're right. Alright, guys, what's the answer for that? She didn't say she not dash me. Alright. Type in the answer, guys. Let me see what I make up out. Someone said 4x to the third. Oh, I should get 48. You know what I mean? Divide, right? Alright. So guys, I'll go through it and then we set the next one and you guys can practice. Alright. Enough past paper there, you know. But a general from school give me the book. Alright. So guys, I could do multiplication part. I'm gonna show the steps. I could have do the shortcut way because these, but we not do that. Alright. We're gonna go through all right long way. So 4x squared times 3x to the fourth. We're gonna work out the top first, right? So it's 4 times 3. I'm going to show you how my 10 graders will work it out. And then there's a x to the square times x4. Now, this would give us 12. With this now, when the base is the same, we add the power. So we add 2 plus 4. And we get x to the 6. So on the top, it works out to 12x to the 6. The line mean divide. Right? So let's go again now. So it's 12 divided by 3. We do the whole number part first. And then we have x to the 6 divided by x to the 3. Now when the base is the same and we're dividing, we subtract the powers. So this will give us 4 again. And then we have x to the 6 minus 3. So that will give us 4x. 6 minus 3, that is 3. So that was correct. Very good. Let's try another one, guys. So much people up on the live, man. At 20 likes, yo, big up, yo, me excited, that's shame. Guys, we hardly get likes, man. People don't really like maths, them hate maths, them hate it so much. But we have to do because we don't forget to the job, don't it? Yeah. Alright, try this one now, guys. Hope you guys made the correction, if any. Try this one. 6x to the 5th divided by 3x raised to the 4th power divided by 2x raised to the 3rd power. Alright, guys. Actually, simple, man. No, man, me sober, man. Me sober. Mad thing we do, but we don't mad. Me sober, man. One over x squared might be wrong. You can double check it, man. Double check it. Oh, you say you don't know? Alright. We have got treat, man. Anybody else type in the answer? One team, one dream. Guys, that's how if you sign up for the something, you know. We can go through all of the tricky questions, show you some problem solving technique and something. Just link me and get signed up for it, man. No joke thing. Grade 1, we say, you know. I'm going to work it again. So we have 6x to the 5th divided by 3x to the 4th. So this one is different, right? I put this up on top deliberately to see how you guys are going to deal with it, alright? So we have 6 divided by 3. This I divide. So we have, alright? Oh, Wendy Wallace got that. Very good, very good. Alright? X to the minus 2 can also be written as 1 over x squared. Alright? Remember the 1 represents it's a fraction. Alright, good job, guys. Good job. So Ashley had said x squared, but remember it's to the minus 1. No, Ashley, it was to the minus 2 rather, not x squared. X squared, guys, x squared is different from this. Alright? This means x times x, but this means it's 1 over x squared. This is a fraction. So they are not the same. Alright, Ashley? Alright. But good job, guys, nevertheless. Let's see if you guys can get this one, and then we'll move on to another topic. Alright? This one. Can I see say like them number years, you know? Try that one now, guys. This one is easier. 6x to the 5th times 2x to the 3rd divided by 3x to the 4th power. Go ahead and shell down this one. Let's see how fast you guys can do this one. Big up everyone that come out, you know, guys. Tomorrow, Ash Wednesday. Yeah, we can get some rest tomorrow, though. Yeah. Ash Wednesday, man. Finish up some SBAs and thing. Remember, all the subjects are on my channel, not just maths alone. And we are work on some A levels too, you know. So a mad thing, a mad thing. Alright, guys, nobody no typing and chat it, you know, me not see. I'm gonna check, I'm gonna double check. Alright, so we start in 30 seconds. Let's just double check to see if anyone completed. 4x to the 4th. Hi, Miss. I'm a vice principal Latino, guys. I'm a vice principal that. Big up, Miss Pusey, big up. Well, I'm a biggest supporter. Thank you, Miss. Thank you. There's something that encourage me, you know. Trust me. We now stop work, Miss. Vet said 5x. Ashley said, there you go, man. Alright, we can work it, guys. Guys, the good thing about YouTube, this is going to stay on, you know, forever, right? Unless it crash like we are going on Ukraine. Alright, so it will be 6 times 2, can work it up first. And then we have x to the 5th. I'm going to put times x to the third. But we know say this is going to work out to 12. But the powers, we add the powers, right? So it would be x to the fifth plus 3. So we get 12x to the 8th. And then now we divide by 3x to the 4th. Carry it over here, so. So 12 divided by 3. That is 4. And then we have x to the 8th. Remember we're dividing now. The line mean divide. Some students say they never know, so the line mean divide. Joke thing. And then now, because the base is the same, we subtract. So it will be 8 minus 4. So yes, Ved, that was indeed correct. So we have 4x to the 4th. You know, I don't know how you guys get the index on this chart. How you get it? I don't know if you do it. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. But you guys can do factorization. I see some factorization questions here. I see some functions. Which should we do? Factorization or functions? Type it in, guys. You take a vote now. Oh, long press on the number. Okay. Simon Real. Big up, big up. Like everybody come out to a holiday, man. Tomorrow. Can't sleep late. Guys, make sure now work on the SBAs, please. For all subjects. Do you labs them? But I have them in a book on them something there. Do what you have to do. So you can get more time to study. You know it's not easy. And make sure you not take on the vitamins and them things. There's a lot of strain upon your body. Alright, so functions it is. So let's say we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. And you're asked to find f negative 1. Let's see how well you guys handle that one. Generally, you read up at top and you know how to raise it to the index, alright? Long press on something. Just read it and you see. Somebody tell me how to do it. Work out that one, guys. F of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. What's the value of f negative 1? Let me check the chat to see if anybody complete. Not yet. Alright. So I guess you guys working. Person who watch the playback, ensure say you finish it in the time before others same way, you know. Alright? Work them same way even for the playback you watch. You guys not do function yet? Oh Lord. Nobody not type in the answer yet, man. Wow, big up Bridget. You're on the live too. Alright, so guys, we're going to teach this then. Instead of just do the solution. Alright, this is very simple, guys. All we're doing, this is the function, right? And this is what we call the input. We got Mr. Gill. If you do St. Mary's College, you must do IT. Alright, so in IT you have the input and the result is the output. The man is one of the greatest IT teacher. 10 years, BA1s. Guys, link me for him number. I want to sign up with him. Students from grade 8 I get one at my school. So my school, by the way. But I think a joke thing, guys. Real thing. Grade 9 students I get one at IT. Grade 10, all the students to IT are grade 11. So link me for Mr. Gill number and thing. Alright? So this is what we call the input. And then we are going to put it in the function. And the result is what we call the output. So how we're doing now, just as how we substitute x in this, we're going to put -1 wherever we see x. So anywhere we see x, we're going to put -1. So this is going to give you -1 squared, because it's a x, right? Minus 2 times -1. And then we say +1, right? So how we do now, -1 times -1, that's what it actually means. And -2 times that will give us +2. -1 times -1 give us 1. And then we can just add them because all is positive. So that would be 5. Alright? So it's not hard. Somebody said 2. Remember, a negative times a negative give you a positive. Alright? Awesome, Bridget. Bridget texts me and say, oh, 4. Yo, 2 and 1 not 3, man. Yeah, 2 plus 1, that's 3 plus 1, 4. Alright, so guys, I want you guys to use the same function, but this time you're gonna find F2. Come at me, I'm mad, man. We say 1 plus 3 or 5. Alright, so guys, same function, x squared minus x. And you're going to find F2. So this time the input would be 2. And remember, this is what we call the output. And if you're doing IT, remember to link me for Mr. Gill number. Alright? I'll sign up for him class. And thanks to the person who don't text on the live, but text me inbox me and say them understand. Awesome. Alright, somebody say read it. Let me read it. What? Vice Principal, get that one there to big up, miss. Big up. Big up, miss. That correct. I'll sorry get it wrong and miss get it right. I'm a vice principal, that's guys. Vice principal work hard because I have to organize everything and she always find time and come from my life. Big up Miss man. That me appreciate it. Alright, so what you guys get for F2? Same function when they say 1. Ashley Cole is a 1. Ashley, come make your eye girl sometime. So same function guy, but this time the input are 2. What will be the output? Alright, so I'm going to say for 2, if I 1 for 2. So we have x squared, remember just rewrite it. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 1. This time the input are going to be 2, right? So it will be 2 squared minus 2 times 2. Because the input are 2. So anywhere you see x, we are going to put 2. Alright. So this now means 2 times 2. Alright, this is going to give me minus 2. A positive times a negative, give us negative. So we're going to get negative 4. Yeah, man, I add that for 2. So that'll be 4 minus, I'm right it up here, so. So it will be 4 minus 4 plus 1. 4 take away 4, that is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Alright, so good job, guys. Good job, good job. The teachers must proud of me. You know, say me proud of me. Alright, so let's try another one and then we're gonna look at composite function. We just teach early in the states that. And the inverse. Maths is a global thing, you know, guys. Alright, that one here interesting now. So we have 3x squared. And you're supposed to find f negative 1. Let's see who can get that one. Alright guys, put the answer for the one there. It says 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. And we're supposed to substitute f equal negative 1. Alright, Ashley Cole said negative 4. Let's see. Waiting at the others. Come on guys, let's go, let's go. 2 months leave. Can't get 2 ones, you know, guys. Just work with me, man. The channel have everything already, you know, but we still have to do some lives, alright? Every topic, we do it. More and more people are come on, man. See, we have up to 27 likes there. Guys, remember one time when I do live and I'm alone on it, you know. Students say me to come in and say, every minute I send maths 2 week. What I'm tell you so? Still not have to give up because at the end of the day, you all need to get to a job. Everybody needs to have a job. And this will prevent a lot of young people from fulfilling their dreams. Some persons want to be a mechanic because them not have maths and can't go to mechanic school. You want to be a nurse, them not accepting a nursing school. I don't think that is right. So I do my best as much as possible to help everyone who want to pursue their dreams. Type in the answer, guys. Type in the answer. And then we can show you guys composite. Because it seems as if some of you guys did not do functions as yet. But you should do. I mean, once in an exam, you're supposed to do functions already. Anyway, guys, don't worry. The marathon did the phone. Everything I'm going to do this. So. Everything. Check the chat now and see. Oh, Ashley said she did it from November. Actually, I alone answer that one here. Alright, so guys, let's just take it on. There's just one little trick to this, guys. You see this? This is the killer right here. We must do the power part first. So I'm going to set it out. So it's going to be 3 negative 1 square plus 2 times negative 1 minus 5. This is the killer right here. You see, if you go ahead and go multiply 3 times negative 1, it's going to mess you up, right? So we have to follow the Bundas rule. So we square first. So it's like we're saying 3 times negative 1 times negative 1. And we work out that first. Right? This is going to give us positive 1. And then 2 times negative 1 gives us negative 2 minus 5. So we can put things in perspective now. 3 times 1, that's 3 minus 2 minus 5. Both of them, these are negative, so we can add them. So it's 3 minus 7. And yes, Ashley, that is negative 4. Alright? You know, class, man, call it, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, guys, you don't know anything already. What if people are calling off the phone now? Yeah. Alright, so this goes to Ashley. Very good. Alright, guys, we're going to look at composite now. You guys can watch the playback and watch the steps. Alright. Oh, Wendy Wallace also got it to be negative 4. Alright. Wendy Wallace looking forward to seeing you guys at the marathon, you know. I think you guys can get straight A. I want to work with you guys. So you can get that, alright? Alright. So let's go, guys. Let's go. We're going to look at composite function now. I'm going to write it in 2 different ink. Alright? So composite function means we're going to combine 2 or more functions. Now see, say, oh, hold on, guys. The light, man, the light. Alright? That is better. So we're going to combine the 2 functions, f of g of x. You guys want to go ahead and try that? Ashley, go ahead and try it. You say you do it at your school. Guys, remember we have to practice, right? We can't wait until near exam before we start practicing. We only have 2 months leave, 2 full months, and little. So combine the functions f of g of x and see what you guys get. Alright? Actually, I know where. Oh, madam Pitney. Alright, guys. So let me just walk you through this. As I told my students a while ago, it's going to take you guys exactly 1 minute to get this very complicated something. Alright? So, guys, the first thing we want to do, I'm going to color code it. Alright? So, what we want to do, we want to write back the last function. Now, fg, so g is the last function. So what we do, write back all of g. I'm going to color code it so it looks much easier. X minus 7, that's g. So we'll put g, this in bracket. Now what we do now, we're going to write f in terms of g. So f says 2x plus 5. However, we will not be putting x in it. This is our x. Alright? So f says 2x plus 5. So 2, this is our x, plus 5. See how easy, guys? Look on the color. Woo. Look on the color code. Alright? And then now we expand the bracket. 2 times 6, that's 12x. 2 times 7, that's negative 14 plus 5. These are like terms, so we can manipulate those. So we have 12x, negative 14, right? We're going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. Somebody said 22. Oh, you get 22, Ashley. Remember, one is negative and one is positive, right? So that would give us negative 9. Because 9 plus 5 is 14. So that's 12x minus 9. I'm going to give you a chance to redeem yourself. We're going to do GF now. Do GF. Careful of the sign, guys. Do GFX now. Let's go, let's go. Actually, I don't rub off the mistake, more mistakes here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. 12x plus 9. Remember, we're doing GF now. As she said, 12x minus 9. What about GF? We do FG. So I want you guys to try GF. Just remember the rule. Write back the last function first. And then now write back the first function in terms of the last function. Alright, I'm going to do this and do some more. We are going up to 9 o'clock, guys. I know you guys need a rest. I'm going to try come on tomorrow again to spread the word, alright? So we're going to look at GF now. Just rewrite this. GF. Alright, so we're going to write back the last function first, which is 2x plus 5, which is f. And then now we write back g in terms of So this is our x in G. G says 6x minus 7. So this is 6. All of this is x minus 7. See it? Good now, guys. No error on my paper. So now we expand. So 6 times 2. What's 6 times 2? That's 12x. 6 times 5, that's 30 minus 7. Alright? So it would be 12x. This is a positive, so 30 take away, that would be 23. Alright? So guys, just remember the rule, right? But the last function, in this case, the last function is f. So write back all of f, which is 2x plus 5, and then we'll write back g in terms of f. So this is 6 bracket 2x plus, all of this is x, minus 7. See there, 6x minus 7. And then we expand the bracket and do the like terms. That's something there. Yeah, it's easy for you too. See, Ashley get it there too. Chantal. It's easy for everybody, man. Oh, alright, Simon. We are going to choose some more, Simon. Simon said not quite get it. I could explain it again, alright? We say others I get it right now, which is good. Alright, so let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, make sure you're right, you know. A real live classes, you know. You see, some I interact with, you know. Alright, we just chat by myself. Alright, so I could use 2-color ink again. I use black. So I could say F. No, we don't want to use F. We want to use some different letter. G of x equal 4x plus 1. And GH is h of x equal to 5x plus 3. We're going to use some different. No, why you write so then I say no, say the like this. H of x equal 3x plus 5. Alright? We're going to go slowly now, guys. So we want to hit the like button if you're just coming on. Hit the like button if you watch the playback. So I want to look at g of h of x, right? So guys, whenever you get it, we combine the two functions. That is our purpose, alright? However, we can't just combine it, so we have to follow rules, right? Rules and regulation. Everything, there's rules and regulation we have to follow. So the last function, gh, since h is the last function, we have to write back all of h first. So h now would be this, 3x plus 5. Put that in bracket. And then now we are going to write back g. Now g says 4x plus 1. However, we're going to write back that same 4x here plus 1. However, we're not going to put x because all of this are with x. So we have 4, this is x plus 1. Let me check the comment section if I get that. Type it in if I get it now. Oh, you did get one right. Alright. So now we know that the bracket means to expand, right? So what we're going to do now is to expand the bracket. So it would be 4 times 3x, that's 12x. And 4 times 5, that's 20. A common error, students will multiply and say 4 times 3, that's 12x. But they don't and just put back plus 5. Remember, the bracket means to multiply. So we have to multiply both of them by 4. So 4 times 3, that's 12x. And 4 times 5, that's 20. So we just put the plus 1. These are like terms. We can't add nothing to the 12x. Because it doesn't have no x, right? Only the ones with x I can add. And then we say 20 plus 1, that is 21. I want to challenge you guys now. I want you guys to do HG. This is not the same thing as GH. So go ahead and do that one. Oh, First Nation. Get that. Alright, big up First Nation. So let me see if you guys really get it. I want you guys to do this now. Everyone on the live, right? Do HGX. And I'm gonna robot this something, guys. When I robot this something for the system to make an error. Alright, Ashley said 12x plus 21. Oh, that's what I want to do now. I could not type a little bit slow, you know, guys. So we have to come my marathon for work on the speed, don't it? Yeah, man. Man, my students are going to do it, you know. Students from all over Jamaica and in the Caribbean are going to do it. Want everyone come out and do what we have to do. We're not the joking, you know, guys. We're not the joking. It look like me have to go keep more than one marathon because a number of persons said them going to sign up, you know. I don't know if everybody go can work. But first come, first serve, and then if anything we do it over one next week. But the person who get the first opportunity, you gonna have more time with the materials. I'm gonna send you the recording the next day. And then you guys can start go over it. You can use that to study every topic we are touch. Alright, expand the bracket now, Simon. And give me the final product. Ashley said 12x plus 6. Whoa. Janelle said 12x plus 21. Oh, Janelle, the first one you do. Do that one here now, guys. HGX. Janelle, my do you want to do a while ago, you know? Yeah, David, man. And guys, you know, if you go over pink wall, go big me up, you know, so other students can join too. Somebody say, First Nation say 12x plus 8. Well, want to work out this, you know, guys. Because everybody seems to get a different answer. So I well want to see how I go on. Double check them, guys, and put back your answer if anything. Double check them. Simon said 12x plus 8 also. So Simon and First Nation get that. Ashley get 12x plus 6. And Janelle get 12x plus 21. Oh, that was the other one. Guys, I have to work on to minimize the errors and so forth, alright? Chantal, why you say we don't know? You know, man, come on. Chantal, you say I want some. Alright, Romario McDonald says 12x plus 8. Romario, are you in my class, right? Baller Romario, are you that? Ashley Coley changed from 1 to 12x plus 8. So look like a 12x plus 8. Alright, Ashley says she do it over. Very good. Guys, the greatest asset is to find an error and can correct your own error. Alright? Jenny said 12x plus 4 now. What could have caused this? Alright, we're going to go through it together and see. We can pick up an error or something. Alright, guys. It's been an amazing day with you guys. Trust me. I'll have to do this tomorrow again with some different topic. Janelle said, no, sir. First Nation said 12x plus 8 also. May I lean toward the 12x plus 8 because a number of persons say that. Right, Janelle? Alright. So, guys, we have to write back G first, right? So, we could just do it. G says 4x plus 1. So, we put 4x plus 1. That is our x. And then we will write back F. You know F. H. So 3x. So this is 3 all of this are x plus 5. And then 3 times 4, that will give us 12. 3 times 1, 3. Yeah, man, and 8 for 2. You see the error where Janelle make? You said you put back the plus 1 here. No, I never do. No, you get 4. Alright? So 3 plus 5, that is 8. And that is our answer. Alright? Guys, I want to show you one more aspect of this. Alright? Using the same this, we could have also find HG, for example, 2. How do you guys do that? Suppose them give you this and say, find HGX, you find it, and then they have an next part to say HG2. How would you find that? Let's see how you guys do. And how do you guys find GH1? Let's see what's the answer for that, guys. Work out that for me. Janelle says, sir, did something wrong. Let us see. Janelle, what would you wrong? 3 times 4, that's 12, right? And 3 times 1, that's 3. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Yeah, man, it's correct. How do you guys find that now? Chantel say, Lord God. What? What Chantel mean by Lord God? Math's nice, Lord God, math's nice. Me understand, Chantal. I understand the enthusiasm. Yeah, man. It good for you. Alright. So guys, say we have gotten 3H1, right? All we do, we're gonna substitute 1 for x in this, right? So this one says we could do GH right here, so first. So we have GH1. So first we write back all of this, right? Which is 12x plus 21. And we substitute 1. 12 times 1, that is 12 plus 21. So that will give us 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. So that will be 33 if they had asked us to find GH1. So after we find GHX, we substitute 1 in the equation and bam, hit that. And Ashley says, sir, the answer is 12 plus 41. I'm assuming that she's doing it for the next one. Let us see. Twelve plus 41 will give us what? 53. Let me see that. Alright, so we find HG now. HG. What was HG if we find HG2? Oh, Ashley get that. Alright, so find HG2. We could do it right here, so both kind of bombard it down. So I will write back HGX, which is this. So it would be 12x plus 8. So right back it. And now we substitute 2 in the equation because the HG 2 we are fine. So it will be 12 times 2 plus 8. 12 times 2, 24 plus 8 gives us 32. So Ashley, I'm not sure what you're talking about. You know, you can use a finished product like HGX. I could do one more. I could clear the board, clear the tasks, everything. Alright? Use some smaller numbers so everybody can get it. Right, Chantal? I think what I should have done was clear the board first. Alright, so we're going to do it the simple way. Alright? So let us say we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 3x plus 4. And they ask us to find FG2. Alright, so we're going to start this one from scratch. Everybody made it, alright? So let's do it, guys. So we combine the functions, that are the first thing. So we write back g. G says 3x plus 4. And f says 2x plus 1. So we have 2x plus 1. Expand the bracket and then we compute. So 2 times 3, that's 6x. 2 times 4, that's 8 plus 1. We group the like terms, so that gives us 9. But we're not finished. Guys, you don't have to complicate it and put it up here. So put 2 up here. So use this. So it will be 6 bracket. Because of 2, we put the 2 here. So. Alright? Plus 9. So we use back this, so we'll find FGX. 6 2 is 12 plus 9 equal 21. Do it the safe way, guys. Do it the safe way. Do it the way where you guys normally do it and see if you get the answer. Alright? Let's go, let's go. Alright, so what I want you guys to do for me on this side, you guys are gonna do GF1. And let's see if everyone can get this right. GF1. That's the principle we are do. We're not complicated. See if you guys can do that one. Alright? So GF1, guys. Let's go, let's go. Alright, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Type in the answer. GF1. Let's go. First Nation said 13. Ashley also got 13. Romario got 19. Alright, so we can go through solution now. And then now we can get some rest, but well deserved. Alright? Make sure you guys turn on your notification so you can know when we go live, alright? Alright, so right back F first. F is 2x plus 1. So we have 2x plus 1 bracket. And then now right back G. And G says 3x plus, so 3x plus 4. 3 times 2, that's 6x. And big up St. Mary's College for them marker here. 3 times 1, 3. Absolutely awesome. 3 plus 1 gives us, 3 plus 4 gives us 7. And then we substitute 1. So guys, you're going to leave on a high note. It is indeed correct. 6 times 1, 6. Plus 7. And that is 13. You guys are awesome. Remember, link me up for the marathon. Get your space secure. And you will get the recording and something you can go through. Problem solving technique, everything. Exam tips, everything, man. Everything on the planet. You know what I mean? Yes, Simon. Remember, Sam put the wrong number in the bracket. Big up, Simon. Yeah, man. Guys, sometimes errors gonna make, but that's how we practice so we can eliminate those and stuff. Alright? So thank everyone for joining in. A holiday week. I'm gonna have some papers to mark and some stuff to do SBA if you look upon. But I will find time to go up on the live. So you guys just, Ashley, big up. So all you guys do just link up, make sure your notification button on. You can share with your friends and so forth. And I want everybody to get, last year only 40% of students passed. Yet still have a number of students who got straight A profile. Alright? Alright, First Nation said big up. Yeah man. So just link me up, guys. Me number up on the channel. I'm glad to say somebody understand and we can shed some light. This is a very popular topic. It comes in both multiple choice and paper too. So you can, from this live alone, you can accumulate one 7 marks or so. Alright? So guys, big up. Yeah man. Ashley said thanks, sir. Yeah man, thank you guys for coming out too. Because without you, it don't make much sense, don't it? So just share with your classmates, share with your friends. As I say, when you can go over pink wall, because I'm mostly foolishness people talk over there, But it have a lot of audience. So go over there and make people know, say, yo, them can come on the channel here, come do them thing. And when it comes closer to exam, I'm going to do more lives, I'm going to do topic by topic or something. So nobody can say them I go fail or nothing. Alright, Simon say respect. Yeah man, respect guys. One love. Stay safe guys. Get some rest. Tomorrow holiday. Get some rest. Do some SBA. And we're going to come back on the live in the night. Alright, we're going to have a class 5 o'clock. But we can still come on the live. Alright, so big up. Peace. Yeah, we're going to do the inverse. Yeah man, I plan to do it. I plan to do the inverse next time guys. Alright. Peace, I'm out. No doubt.